Hi everyone! How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that can completely transform your oral health. If you've ever struggled with bad breath, sensitive gums, or frequent cavities, this video is for you. We're going to talk about ProDentim, an innovative supplement that promises to take care of your mouth naturally and effectively. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more health and wellness tips. And if you've already tried ProDentim, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your experience. How many times have you worried about your breath before an important meeting or a special date? Or maybe you've noticed your gums bleeding when you brush your teeth. The truth is, many people neglect their oral health, but it's essential for our overall well-being. Research shows that problems like gingivitis and cavities can even be linked to more serious conditions, like heart disease and diabetes. And here's the worst part, many of the products we use every day, like conventional mouthwashes, only mask the problem instead of solving it. That's because they don't address the root cause, which is an imbalance in the oral microbiome. And that's exactly where ProDentim comes in. It was designed to solve this problem from the inside out, naturally and efficiently. ProDentim is a chewable supplement specifically created to take care of your oral health from the inside out. It works differently from traditional products because it directly targets the oral microbiome, the good bacteria that live in our mouths. The main benefits of ProDentim include improved breath in just a few weeks, stronger teeth and cavity prevention, reduced gum bleeding, and support for your overall health. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Just chew one tablet a day and that's it. You don't need to change your routine or spend hours in the bathroom. Plus, it has a pleasant taste, making it even easier to incorporate into your daily life. What caught my attention the most about ProDentim were the ingredients. It's made with specific probiotics for oral health, along with vitamins and minerals that strengthen teeth and gums. Another important point is that it doesn't contain harsh chemicals like fluoride or alcohol, which can irritate the mouth. This means it's safe even for people with sensitive skin or mucous membranes. Additionally, the product is manufactured in certified laboratories and meets the highest quality standards. That gave me a lot of peace of mind when trying it out. And here's what's most interesting. It was developed by oral health experts who truly understand the needs of our bodies. Now, you might be wondering, but does ProDentim really work? Well, I did my research and found several testimonials from people who had incredible results. For example, one customer said she eliminated chronic bad breath in just 2 weeks. Another user reported that their gums stopped bleeding after starting ProDentim. And here's the best part. Many of these testimonials mention that results started showing up within a few weeks. Of course, results may vary from person to person, but the overall feedback is very positive. This shows that ProDentim really delivers on its promises. So, if you're tired of dealing with oral health issues and want to try something new and natural, I highly recommend checking out ProDentim. Oh, and here's something cool. By clicking the link in the description of this video, you'll go directly to the official product website, where you can get exclusive discounts and special offers. Remember, ProDentim is only sold on the official website, so avoid buying it elsewhere to ensure you're getting an authentic product. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are also looking to improve their oral health. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. That's it, everyone. I hope this video helped you better understand how ProDentim can transform your oral health. Remember, a healthy smile is always a good investment. Until the next video, thanks for watching.